Backup APK Extract. APK is an Android application designed to help users manage their installed apps by allowing them to create backups and extract APK files. This tool is particularly useful for individuals who want to preserve their favorite applications, especially before performing a factory reset, changing devices, or as a precaution against accidental deletions. The app typically features a simple interface where users can browse their installed applications and select the ones they wish to back up. Once selected, the app generates APK files, which can be saved locally or moved to external storage. This functionality allows for easy reinstallation of apps without needing to download them again from the Play Store. Additionally, Backup APK Extract APK may offer features like batch extraction, enabling users to back up multiple applications simultaneously, and restore options for reloading previously extracted APKs. Some versions may also include options to manage app permissions and uninstall apps directly. Overall, Backup APK Extract APK is a practical tool for Android users who wish to maintain control over their applications and safeguard their preferences and settings.